All right, this is the Eureka FloorRover Dash. We use it upstairs in our house for the past month or so. We've been using the Dyson Animal, and so we're used to the ball kind of rolling back and forth. This is a very similar construct where it still gives you the wide, but it's only off of two different independent wheels on the back here. The wheels are not rubber, they're made of solid plastic. It does have a motorized brush system for carpet. You can also use the manual button right here to turn that on and off. If you're going onto a hardwood floor, you can disable the brush just to use the vacuum only. It is a canister-based trash collection, so it does unsnap right here. Unlike the Dyson, I like the Dyson where you can actually push down from the release and it'll drop the bottom out, so you don't actually have to have your hand in the way of the emptying one here. Here, you have to use this red tab to unlock it, and so you open it with your hand, which inevitably you get a little dusty when you do that. So I do like the Dyson better for design. You can just push down from the top and pop the bottom open. There is a HEPA filter in the top here, which is interchangeable. Right here, open for filter. Open it, wash it out every couple of months, keep it clean, snaps back into place. Your power button is right here next to the manual brush roller. One thing that I do like about this system is that all the attachments are built in. So this has a dedicated carrier for your manual roller here. Snaps on. Down the side here, you've got your attachment tool here. And then to use your hose actually has to unsnap. And so it's not a clean lift. You actually have to twist it and then pull it out, and then you have it here. And then it's got a loop that goes back around and twist it back into place. Plenty of cord, which again, quick release on the cord. You just twist this down, all the cord comes loose. It's been pretty efficient. It's lightweight. Obviously one-handed operation there. So all in all, no complaints.